legs. So I don't know if you've been feeling weak down the legs or just exhausted legs by the end of the day. And again, hold, beautiful. Hold, good stuff. Holding onto the edges of the table. Hold out for me. Hold out for me. Lovely. Liver, Gardasil vaccine toxins, and hold, okay. So that's liver not coping with hormones. Hold and going back, and hold up and going down. Yeah, right, so mainly the hormones. Liver, of course, about that internalized frustration. And kidneys. Okay. Gardasil vaccine toxins. And hold up for me. Okay. And hold up for me. And hold up for me here. And hold. So this is more than last time. So I suspect maybe hold. Some of the supplements have just allowed some release of some of the toxins from either some mucoid plaque in the body or from the mitochondria or from one of the organs, who knows? But it feels like it's on the way out now because like it's showing up with the liver, the large intestine, the kidneys. So it's probably not a bad sign. It's probably a good sign that the toxins are being eliminated now because they can be really hardwired, in the body, in deep tissue. Okay. Yeah, so keep up the suppositories every second night. Those probiotics are still showing up for you as well. Body doesn't really want a big change. Let me ask, okay, so in relation to asking the body to unlock if this body is contagious. Hold. Asking about any and all safety issues with contact with other humans. Hold. Beautiful. Okay. I manifest happiness into my life. Hold. Want, need, think, safe, believe, deserve, trust. Beautiful. I manifest good health. Hold. Want, need, think, safe, believe, deserve, trust. I release negativity, allowing me to manifest positive things only. Hold. Want, need, think, safe, believe, deserve, trust. I'll just throw in a couple of extras and see whether we've gone further than that in the manifestation or whether that's just where it stops. Sometimes it helps other things as well. I have the power to manifest. Hold. I manifest the things I need. Hold. I manifest the right people into my life. Hold. I manifest positive relationships only. Hold. Beautiful. So that's feeling good. It's like we did 3 of them, but really it sort of helped with the manifestation in the system on lots of levels. Actually, I'll double check a few little left-right pathways. Okay. CC trust, AC despondency. Yeah, a little bit of despondency. Sadness, despondency, depression. So get that frontal cortex up and running. Hold. Yeah. Running away, running away, running away. Oh yeah, we'll check the gate as well. Sadness, despondency, depression. And hold. Beautiful. CC trust, AC despondency, pectoral pillar, A, B, C, D, 4th hippocampus circuit. So this one's to do with lack of motivation because of internal negativity. It's like that internal crap mechanism when your brain starts believing your self-talk. And obviously that's, once you're aware of negative self-talk, you've got to start reversing it because your brain believes everything you tell it. Okay. And hold. Escape, submission, freeze. Okay, RAS. So the low serotonin and vigilance again. I mean, it's a pretty big balance. It's no surprise. I own my sexuality. I choose my sexuality. And hold. Beautiful. And hold. Excellent. Okay. Oh, now I've got to check the gates. Okay. So it's closer, not quite, but it's only out by like 1.5 centimetres now compared to like 3 inches before. And that's a lot closer as well. Okay, not too bad. Don't know if you're doing any yoga or anything up there, but you know, something like that, just give your body a nice good long stretch occasionally or Pilates. Personally, I hate Pilates, but that's just me. Hurts too much. I can't go through the pain. Okay, I'll upload these for you this afternoon, and we'll chat tonight. Okay, bye. Thanks, Shelby.